In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the brake light bulb. Open your tailgate. There are two mounting screws right here. Once you open the rear hatch, and it's an 8mm socket, we're going to just take them right out. It actually has a Phillips mount in the center. If you need to use that instead of a socket, you can. Then we're just going to grab it firmly and give it a pull towards you. We have two connectors. Push down on that tab, squeeze it, and give it a pull. Do the same to this side. There's a tab right here. Push on it and pull. All this dirt and sand, can use the help of a little pair of pliers. There we go. So now that the tail light is out, you're going to remove the brake light bulb by taking that socket and turning it counterclockwise, pulling it out. Removing the bulb, grab it firmly and pull. To install, line up the pins, push that bulb in until it clicks. Then you can take your taillight assembly, turn it till you feel it drop in, give it a twist clockwise until it locks. Now we have our taillight, we're going to reinstall it. I'm going to grab the turn signal connector, line that up until it clicks. And the brake light bulb, same thing, until it clicks. You have these two line-up holes on the outer edge and two on the inner. Those are where the bolts are going to go. These two have guide pins, one here and one there. So you want to guide them straight into that. And just push them in place. I'm going to put the top mounting bolt in first. I do it by hand, so that way I don't cross-thread it. Plus it's plastic, and an electric tool or air tool could crack it. So I just bottom it out and do the same on the bottom. And once it's bottomed out, I'll give it a good quarter turn. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.